Morning, y'all. I am on here a little bit late. I have a doctor's appointment this morning. So I'm on here a little bit later than normal because I'm going to be going into work a little bit later. I am Gina Burnett, and you are on my personal wall. Shine with Gina B is my company name, and I am a presenter for Unique, a makeup and skincare company. I have already put on, hey Sabrina, I have already put on my base makeup this morning, and we are going to attempt to do a purple smoky eye hack. Never done this before, so I'm cleaning my brushes while I'm talking to you real quick. With this brush cleaner we have, it's awesome because you don't need water. You just spray it on and then wipe it on a towel or a paper towel or whatever, and they're ready to use again. Awesome. One of my favorite products. Actually, that product, if I'm not mistaken, that brush cleaner came out on Black Friday last year during our Black Friday sale. So make sure you're staying tuned for all the Black Friday specials that are going to be coming out. I put a link on my page down below for you to sign up if you want to be among the first people to find out what the deals are. It, of course, does not commit you to any of the deals, but they sell out really fast because they are huge discounts and there's new products and they go fast. So if you want the Black Friday week specials, you need to let me know so that you can get on quickly when they are announced. It's a really exciting time. We do like 9 days of sales. Every day is a different deal, and the deals only last for the day that they are put out. So like if they're announced at 9 in the morning, you can get that batch on sale that day, and then it goes away. So anyway, today we are going to attempt to do this purple smoky eye hack. Never done it before in my life, ladies. Full disclosure, so we will see what happens. I actually saw another lady on my team do this yesterday, so I thought, oh, what the heck, I'm going to try it out. Unlike other presenters, I often don't practice it first. I do it live in front of you because I want you guys to see authentically how the products work and how easy it is to do it. So a lot of things I might try on here. Hey, Krista. Hey, Diane. I might try on here and it doesn't work the first time, and I'll try it again in front of you because I'm not here to sell things. I'm here to help you. So that's what I do. I just give it a whirl. If there's something I see that looks interesting, I'm like, hey, I'll go live and try it in front of everybody. So the first thing I'm going to do this morning is what I do every morning, and I'm going to put on my Victorious Cream Splurge Shadow. That's not Victorious, that's Bittersweet. As my base, as my primer. It is what keeps my makeup in place all day. It's what keeps my makeup from creasing. Where is my... There it is, Victorious. So this is what I use every day. Splurge Cream Shadows. And I use this as my eyeshadow primer. Works perfectly. The cream eyeshadows are probably my favorite product behind our Epic Mascara. When I first learned about Unique and started using the mascara, that was like the first thing I did.